Yo, what is going on, guys? Haz here, CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, check the link in the description. Some pretty good stuff that dropped this week. But I wanted to show you guys a couple new pickups that I ended up getting recently. I ended up getting some Supreme stuff, some stuff from Kith, Nike, and then a pickup from eBay. So kind of fun, I guess. If you guys are interested in seeing these type of videos, I guess leave a like on the video. But I didn't really want to get in front of the camera today, so I just wanted to show you guys up close and personal what I ended up picking up. So we can start off, I guess, right here. We ended up getting this from the other week from the Supreme drop, and this one was easy to get. I don't know how or why. I got an extra large of the Gons hoodie. I think that's what it's called, for the Supreme weird kind of crazy logo on here. And actually, I was trying to get this one, so I was kind of like happy that I ended up getting an XL of that. So that was the one I got. The resale on these aren't like anything crazy for those that are actually wondering, but the resale on this is lit. Nah, they got the Poppy packet with the Supreme logo. They got quite a few stickers in here, which is kind of a nice plus. I actually like the fact that Supreme does this. It's traditional, pretty much, that they send the Supreme bag with Supreme box logo stickers. And yeah, it's kind of fun that they do that. Then the next one, I finally got my week 1 pickups. And I got a bunch of the other ones previously, but I finally got the jellyfish tee that I've been waiting for. I really actually like this one. I think it looks pretty cool. I got my size, extra large, but cool looking Supreme jelly tee. And then I ended up buying this one. I honestly have no idea why. It was like one of those things where I checked out 2 or 3 times and paid, went back in, and this t-shirt was still available. So I was like, it's a bunch of old dudes playing cards at a table. So I was like, I can dig it. So that's what I ended up getting. It does say Supreme 2018 at the bottom of the t-shirt though. But I got this one in my size just kind of for fun as well. So that was what I ended up getting. And as you can see, they sent the poppies as well on this one. If you guys actually want these, I'll totally give these away. Just leave a comment in the comment section that uses the hashtag SupremeHK and then give the video a thumbs up. And then I'll give away these to 2 random people that use the hashtag properly. Be sure you guys do that. I'll give it away in like 3 or 4 days or something like that, just as soon as I get enough time to actually pick the winners. I'll save this one for a second. Anyways, I ended up getting this one also from Nike, and I think this is kind of a dope pickup, but I know a lot of people probably aren't feeling these, which is totally fine. I saw them and I saw the colors and I was like, yeah, I gotta pretty much buy those. This is the Nike Safari Quick Strikes right here. I actually tried to get these through the Nike Sneakers app, and I've been having a lot of problems with sneakers for some reason. It just won't let me check out. Even though there was a full size run of these, it wouldn't let me actually check out, which was kind of a bummer. But then I waited and waited, and then eventually they showed up on Nike.com, and then I picked them up before they sold out. But so this is the Nike Air Safari, and it's just that crazy classic like print. And because of that, I was totally in. I like the fact that they did a leather liner on it and stuff, and quality is decent on them. They're not bad. They're not amazing. Like, it looks like it would be really good, but it's okay. And but it was just kind of like a classic looking pair of sneakers that I wanted to add to the collection. Also, eventually I'm going to do like my entire backdrop that you could see back there. I'm going to do all orange sneakers. So I just figured, you know what, this is just one more to add to the collection with the orange vibes. So that was one of the pickups that I am getting. And I'll show you guys this. This is a pickup that I am getting from eBay. And eBay actually had this crazy deal. I tweeted out last time and then this time as well, where they did 20% off of the entire site. And then also recently, this last week, they did 20 or 15% off the entire site. People were kind of confused. They're like, well, how does that even work? Like, if you're selling on eBay, what does that look like? And eBay actually eats the extra percentage cost. So that's something that they did. And I bought this on there because it was a pair of shoes that I saw, and I was like, dude, I've always kind of wanted these, so let's go ahead and buy them. And the price was right. I think I got them shipped for like 80 bucks. And it's definitely a pair that you guys probably won't even know or care about. But this is a pair of Nike Air Prestos. This is such a fail. So as soon as I pull these out of the box, they just smell like cigarette smoke, dude. Like, just disgusting cigarette smoke. That's unfortunate. That Reshoevn8r laundry system is going to come in handy because this smells like crap. But yeah, so also, if you guys actually use my Reshoevn8r code historically, it changed. It's actually HESKICKS10 now. So it's actually changed 3 times, unfortunately, but HESKICKS10 I figured would be an easy one to remember, and it saves you 10% off of your Reshoevn8r order. Anyways, these are the Lava Prestos. It's something that I really wanted back in the day just because I love the overall lava print on the shoe. So these are a men's size medium, and if you didn't know, back in the day, they actually released these as an extra small, small, medium, and large and stuff like that. And nowadays they actually have the numerical values assigned to them, but it was kind of confusing back in the day which ones should you actually buy. Usually small would work for me, but in this case it was a medium that I got. Looks like this one came out in like 01 or so. Yeah, man, I'm kind of bummed by this. It smells terrible. The quality is they're actually in pretty good shape, as you can see, for how old they are, like 2000, 2001 era. But the smell, dude. I mean, if you smoke out there, like, I mean, I get it. You guys have to smoke, but at what point do you get your sneakers smelling like smoke? Like, I don't know. I'm not trying to judge everybody out there, but you shouldn't probably smoke in your house. It's kind of gross. And then stuff like this ends up happening where you get these and they just smell atrocious. Anyway, I don't know what to do with these. They're going to contaminate everything in my room. I'm going to have to throw these in the other room. I'm going to have to throw these in the garage. It smells so terrible. That is that. And then I have this from Kith. So this was like the silver lining, I guess. Now that I've touched my smoke shoes, I got to touch my really fancy, lovely hoodie from Kith and t-shirt. I feel like I need to go, hold on one second, I'm gonna wash my hands. So this is what I ended up copping from Kith. I can't believe actually I ended up getting this, because usually I strike out on the hoodies and stuff, but this is the first time I got a kind of a logo hoodie, and I like the fact that I got the one that has a floral print. So if you didn't know, Kith drops their releases like every Monday, I think like 8 a.m. or so, PST, and so they have this Monday program where they just drop random cool stuff, and I ended up getting this hoodie, which I really, really wanted, and I also ended up getting the t-shirt, but the t-shirt was kind of a bummer, because I thought this was black. From the pictures, it looked black. Otherwise, I would have got the white tee or the other one maybe. But I ended up checking out, and I ended up getting both of these in one cart. I don't know. I got really lucky because I went back through and refreshed, and they were completely sold out. So I didn't get as lucky for the butterflies and stuff. I didn't get anything from that, actually. I strike out probably 4 out of 5 times when I try to buy something from Kith. So it's difficult when you're trying to do team manual for the most part, I guess. But I ended up getting that. I'm super happy about that, at least. And got the Supreme hoodie too. I'm like an idiot because I'm buying all these hoodies and stuff in the wrong season. As you know, summer is coming near, but at least I got some t-shirts. Anyways, that was the pickups that I ended up getting this week. It was a pretty well-balanced week in my opinion. I ended up getting like an OG sort of gem right here. Some crappy OGs right here that nobody cares about, and then a couple of Supreme Hype Beastie sort of things, and then some Kith stuff. And I tweeted this out the other day, but actually I prefer Kith stuff over Supreme stuff. It's just my personal preference. I actually really like the Kith t-shirts better. The quality is super, super nice, and I actually, it's something that I really appreciate. Again, if you guys want these stickers, just check the description for the rules on what you have to do. It's super simple. And that is all we have. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for stopping by. We'll catch you guys for some more sneaker videos soon. At this time, if you guys want to click the screen, you can go ahead and watch some of the other videos on my channel. Peace, guys.